Hi, this is Kushank Gupta from Moksha Lifestyle. I have a background in mechanical engineering, but I have been very passionate about the fragrance industry and especially the fine fragrances. Moksha Lifestyle has been in the industry since 2007, and we have been focusing on natural and organic ingredients, especially. Moksha Lifestyle was the first company to get USDA Organic Certification in India and to set up a first GCMS machine also in India. We have the highest number of organic ingredients. We supply ingredients to brands like Kama Ayurveda, Mama Earth, Fab India, Biotique, Voice Essentials, Juicy Chemistry, and so on. Now we have come on a backward integration process, that is the manufacturing facilities we've set up. So we recently just set up a fully automated fragrance blending plant. Then we also just acquired FDA licenses for manufacturing of perfumes and cosmetics. We recently have developed about 60 plus in-house formulated fragrances which have about 20% of natural essential oils, which is our USP. I would say that being a little different from the markets, standing out from the market, definitely pays you for a longer period of time. So similarly, my elder brother, Mr. Ashish Khandelwal, he founded Moksha Lifestyle back in 2007. So his USPs were natural and organic. And in today's time, when you're sitting in 26, so we see customers demanding for natural, recyclable packagings, then natural and organic ingredients sourced from actual organic farms. So that's the differentiation that we backed up in 2007 with the natural and organic ingredient, which was still in the upcoming trends at that time. But right now, in today's period, it is very much in trend. So we usually used to participate in Cosmo Home Tech on a regular basis every year. So we started participating in CMPL last year. We did our first exhibition in Delhi, and we did get a very good response. We met with a lot of big brands founders, big brands for manufacturing processes. So CMPL has actually helped us a lot in get finding clients for looking third party manufacturing, since that has been my latest division for the business. So it has been very kind and very helpful for us. The crowd here is, the footfall is amazing. We haven't got a single minute to sit down since 2 days, and I'm very happy to be a part of CMPL and looking forward for further exhibits. I was a little more excited this year because I could see that there are two floors and there are hundreds of exhibitors here this time. The last CMPL was a little smaller in size. This time it's very, very huge, and numerous industries are exhibiting, food, third party manufacturers, ingredient suppliers, packaging suppliers. So it's like a one stop shop here. Any brand startup who wishes to start planning for their upcoming brand, they can find end to end solutions from packaging to the bottles to the manufacturers to the ingredients. So it's very helpful for a founder. Thank you.